This car shouldn't exist. This is the 2027 Lexus RX350, and it's absolutely insane. From the moment you see it, something feels different. The design looks like it came straight out of the future. The lights, razor sharp. The body, smooth but aggressive. And the presence? Unmistakably Lexus, but evolved into something far beyond what we know today. This isn't just another luxury SUV. This is Lexus redefining the game. Exterior design, the future starts here. Let's start with what instantly grabs your attention. The design. The 2027 Lexus RX350 doesn't just look modern, it looks next generation. Up front, the traditional Lexus grille is completely reimagined. Instead of a bulky grille, you get a sleek, glossy black panel that blends seamlessly into the body. And then there's the lighting. A full-width LED light blade stretches across the front, ultra-thin, incredibly sharp, and perfectly integrated. It's minimal but aggressive, clean yet futuristic. From the side, the silhouette is smooth and aerodynamic. Flush door handles, sharp body lines, and large multi-spoke wheels that give it a bold stance. This SUV doesn't try too hard. It just looks expensive from every angle. And at the rear, a continuous LED taillight bar connects the entire width, giving it a premium, high-tech signature, especially at night. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just about looks. The 2027 RX350 is expected to feature a next-generation hybrid powertrain, and possibly even a fully electric variant. That means instant torque, smooth acceleration, and impressive efficiency. This car doesn't scream for attention, it glides. 0 to 60, fast enough to surprise you. But what really matters is how it feels. Quiet, refined, effortless. Whether you're driving in the city or cruising through mountain roads, the RX delivers a balanced experience between comfort and power. And with improved suspension and handling, this SUV feels more connected to the road than ever before. Driving this car isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's about the experience. Imagine cruising on a winding mountain road. The car feels stable. The steering is precise. And the cabin, almost completely silent. Lexus has always been known for comfort, but this takes it to another level. With advanced driver assistance systems, the car can maintain lane position, adjust speed automatically, even assist with semi-autonomous driving. It's not just smart, it's intuitive. The car learns how you drive and adapts. Step inside, and everything changes. The interior of a 2027 RX350 is all about minimal luxury. No clutter. No unnecessary buttons, just clean lines and premium materials. Right in front of you, a fully digital instrument cluster. In the center, a large infotainment display with ultra-smooth graphics. Everything feels fast, responsive, and easy to use. The steering wheel is modern and ergonomic. The seats, soft, supportive, and built for long journeys. And then there's the panoramic sunroof, letting natural light flood the entire cabin. It makes the space feel bigger, brighter, and more relaxing. This is the kind of interior you don't want to leave. Now, let's talk tech, because this is where things get really interesting. The 2027 RX350 is packed with next-gen technology. We're talking about AI-powered voice control, fully customizable digital displays, wireless everything, over-the-air updates. The car stays updated, just like your smartphone. Navigation is smarter, entertainment is seamless, and connectivity, instant. Everything works together to create a smooth, effortless user experience. Even with all this futuristic design and technology, this is still a practical SUV. Plenty of space for passengers, comfortable seating for long trips, and a trunk that's big enough for everyday needs. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend road trips, or just driving around the city, the RX350 fits right in. It's not just a concept, it's usable. So, what is the 2027 Lexus RX350 really about? It's not just a luxury SUV. It's not just a redesign. It's a statement. A statement that the future of cars is cleaner, smarter, more refined, and honestly, more exciting. Lexus didn't just upgrade the RX, they transformed it. So now the question is, would you drive this? Or is it just too futuristic? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the future of cars is just getting started.